Here's a quick start off video on this Goblin custom built 2017 kit car. We'll do a couple others, but we needed one to get posted with the listing today. So quick background on this car. This is one of the most photographed and filmed custom built Goblin cars there is. Reason being, it was previously owned by Demolition Ranch. If you don't know who they are, jump online, check them out. The guy does some pretty wild and crazy things. YouTube and Instagram and Facebook sensation. This was one of his cars. You'll see it in action in a lot of his videos. He actually reached out on Instagram to us once we posted it and complimented how amazing of a car it was. You take this car for one spin and you'll agree. 300 plus horsepower, 1,550 pounds, turbo charged. It for sure gets busy. As far as each state is a little different with emissions and other things on a kit car. This does have a Flowmaster high flow catalytic converter, so it will be legal for most states, but we cannot say it will be legal for all states. Please check with your state. It is titled as a 2017 custom built kit car. Pretty cool setup. We got the battery on a trickle charge because it's been sitting in here. Got a kill switch, which is accessible from the cabin area, but built off mostly all 2000 whatever year, maybe 17, Cobalt drivetrain, Cobalt dash, Cobalt motor, transmission, drive axle, even the digital gauges and speedometer, analog gauges, but digital speedometer and everything just like the car actually had. Even has a turbo timer with a cooling fan for that. A couple other really unique features. Some we hadn't even figured out yet. So, neat car. You can definitely check out his background online. We'll bring you some more videos of it running and driving probably and all that fun stuff, but this car is currently up for grabs. Check it out on the website, davis4x4.com, or any of our other sports cars. Website updates 2 to 3 times a day. And we're trying to bring you at least a few YouTube posts each day as well. Growing our YouTube following. Keep watching. You'll definitely see some of the craziness we do with the trucks, boats, and other exciting stuff. AboveAverageTrucks.com, davis4x4.com, or Above Average Trucks on YouTube. Thanks for watching.